Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rupashri Kadu, working as an assistant professor in Department of Chemistry, Arts, Science and Commerce College, Mokhada, District Palghar. In this conference, I am presenting a paper entitled Efficiency Alkylation Employing Green Reagent to Afford Dialkyl Fluorine. This slide showing the importance of the dialkyl fluorine, which are more important for the synthesis of the polymers, and these polymers have grateful applications in light emitting diodes, solar cell and transistors. So these are the few examples of dialkyl fluorine molecules. This slide showing various applications of the light emitting polymers in various areas like in cell phone, in shoes, indicators, car headlights and the road lights. This slide showing the previous method which is reported method for the alkylation of the fluorine, and this method for alkylation of fluorine, it requires a corrosive catalyst NaOH, KOH. Also it requires the additives like the phase transfer catalyst. Also it requires the hazardous solvents like DMSO. It requires a toxic solvent like the benzene. Also it has require a high reaction temperature and longer reaction time. So these are the few drawbacks of these previous reported method. Hence we decided to develop a new method for the alkylation of the fluorine, which will require mild reaction conditions, which will work without any catalyst, which will work in environmentally free or environmental friendly solvents, it having a very high yield and the rapid speed. Now this slide showing our developed method for the synthesis of the dialkyl fluorine, in which the 2,7-dibromofluorine is get converted into the alkyl substituted 2,7-dibromofluorine, in which the various alkyl halides were used along with these ionic liquids is used as a solvent as well as a catalyst. Hence there is no any need for the additional catalyst or additives and dissolvents. Now these are the various materials used for this particular reaction, like 2,7-dibromofluorine, alkyl halides, ionic liquids, in which the 1-ethyl 3-methyl imidazolium hydroxide solutions were used. Now for the alkylation of the fluorine, first 2,7-dibromofluorine and ionic liquid were added and mixed into a round bottom flask. Then alkyl bromide was added to above mixture and heated at about 60 degrees Celsius continuously for the 2 hours, and after completion of the reaction by indicated by TLC, the reaction mixture was cooled to room temperature and extracted with its chloroform, and this extracted chloroform organic layer was washed several times with the water and dried over the anhydrous sodium sulfate, and the solvent was removed to get the desired product, which having a yield are up to the 99%. The aqueous layer containing ionic liquid solution was recycled and reused for the further reaction. This slide showing the characterization of H1 NMR spectroscopy of the synthesized compounds. This is the NMR spectra of 2,7-dibromo 9,9-diethyl fluorine. Also this is another spectra of NMR spectra of 2,7-dibromo 9,9-dipropyl fluorine. The significant features of this developed method is it is a completely aqueous phase synthesis. It needs a ionic liquid solution which is act as a catalyst as well as a solvent. These methods is work without any additional of the catalyst or additive and a solvent, as ionic liquid both act as a catalyst and a solvent. The ionic liquids are commercially easily available. It is required at ambient temperature around 60 degrees Celsius. It has a short reaction time and the high yield of the product, and the main ionic liquid can be recycled and reused up to the 5 cycles. So the application of And the future scope is it provide improved method of alkylation of fluorines under very high or very mild reaction conditions. This method may find applications in polymer chemistry for the preparation of different alkyl separated fluorines desirable for polymer synthesis. Also, the future work will focus on the application of this alkylation method in other systems like anilines and phenols. The conclusion of these is we have demonstrated the ionic liquid as an efficient reaction time or reaction system for alkylation of fluorines without using additional catalyst or additives and solvent under mild reaction conditions. This slide showing the various few references which I have used for the preparation of this presentation. Thank you very much for kind attention.